sun cycles ago, when the line disappeared, the Mooris' magic-filled capital, Pripyat, stood on the brink of collapse. However, its leaders had secreted away a few gleaming pieces of the blessed fruit, then installed them around the city. It floated above the rest of the continent for many years until the lime began to fade. The island began to drift downward, sinking toward the desolate lands below. Old ones remembered the power of the lime and told tales of it to the younger generations. Could lime truly keep the island city afloat? None were sure, but all were curious. Today, you are among a group of inquisitive adventurers setting out from a famed tea garden to find the answer.